What I have here is my lower cost economy bulbs right here. And I'm going to go ahead and get this wired up and set to go and show you how it's done. I got a 16 gauge red wire and a 16 gauge black wire. And I'm just going to go ahead and one end, strip about 1 inch off one end. This in here, I'll strip off about a 1/2 inch. 3/4 to a 1/2 inch right there. And now I'm going to do the same with the black wire. 1 inch on one end. And about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch on this end here. Get this all set to go. Okay, I got my wire stripped up and set, all stripped and set to go. These banana plugs, they got a little screw on the side of here. I'm going to unscrew it. Like that. You need a small screwdriver. I got my wire here. I got about 1 inch to 3/4 stripped off here on this wire. I'll put it in here. I'm just going to kind of screw this down here. Just take a minute here. I'll get it done. Okay, I got this all screwed in, set to go. Oh, you can see that. It's all screwed in, set to go. And I'm going to do the same with the black wire. All right, I have my black wire. That's all in and set to go. Now I'm just going to put some solder in there to make sure everything's connected good. All right, I have a board here with some holes drilled in it. It makes it easy for me to put my plug right in there. Once it's there, it serves as easy. I'm going to just take my soldering iron. Once again, I want to make sure I have a good connection here. I'm just going to solder it right in here. Put some solder in here. Just added assurance so I have a really good connection. And I'll go ahead and show you how this looks. Okay, you can see I got that soldered in there. All set to go. Well, that's soldered in here. I'm going to take my red sleeve here that goes over the plug. It simply goes on here like this. I'm just going to slide it down. Slip it over the plug like this. That's all set to go. Now I'm going to have go ahead and I'm going to do the same with the black wire here. All right, I got my black wire here. It's all soldered up and set to go. I'm going ahead and put the sleeve on here. Slide it down. It's all set to go. Okay, I have these plastic sleeves here that go over the ends of the bulb. Got 2 of them, 3/4 inch in diameter here. Okay, inside the plastic sleeve here, there's like a ridge kind of in a center. There's a couple little bumps on the side here. On the ends here, looks like these are all set to go here. But you know what I want to do is I want to kind of like smooth out the inside here and take down that ridge. And I usually just take a drill like this. Just take it until I get the insides, until I get the ridge taken down. So I'll go ahead and get that done. I have these 2 end pieces here. 1, 2. I got this bit. It's about a 1/8 inch drill bit. What we want to do here now is drill a hole right in the center of each of these end pieces so I can put the wire through. There's one. I'll just do the same with this one here. And there is 2. Those are set to go. And I also got these 2 end pieces set to go here. See the insides, it's all cleared out. Smoothed down. I got the ridge that was in this middle here, the ridge inside. That's all smoothed down, so it's easy to put over the bulb. I have this foam tape here, foam insulation tape. It's this kind of piece. It's about 16 inches in length. What I'm going to do now, here it is. Find these at most hardware stores. It's about 1/8 inch thick and 16 inches in length. I'm going to take it. I'm just going to wrap it around this end right here. Once that is wrapped around, I'm going to take one of these end pieces here, or not one of these, put the sleeve here. I'm just going to try to slide it on the end. That's how it should look when it's done. See that? I'm going to take my black wire here, the ground wire, negative side, put it through the end piece on here, like this. Twist this together. I'm going to solder that on, make sure I have a good solid connection. Get this soldered on. Set the solder on here. Set to go. Okay, that's all soldered up and set to go. Okay, I got this heat-resistant tape here that I get from Amazon. What I'm going to do now is put the end piece on here. Take a piece of tape there, about 6 inches, 7 inches long. Put it on here, and then we'll get it on here. There. Take another piece here. Another piece here. And let's use one more piece. Okay, that's set to go. Now on this the positive side, or the side where all the power comes in, it does get have a lot of power going through the bulb. On this side, it does get a little bit hot. So due to the power going through the bulb, so what I have to do is I don't use a foam tape. I use this silicone gasket sealer. To insulate the end of the bulb here. I use it to insulate the end of the bulb once I get everything wired up. And I'll go ahead and show you how that's done. I'm just going to go ahead and solder the wire on here, just like I did with the black wire. And then I'll show you how to put on the silicone gasket sealer. Okay, I have the positive wire soldered up there, set to go, just like I did with the black wire. I have the sleeve that's ready to slip on. I'm going to put some gasket sealer right around here on the end. The gasket sealer is kind of messy, so you need a rag handy. It helps to have like a flathead screwdriver handy. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting this on. Okay. Once I got a sufficient amount of the gasket, high temperature gasket sealer on there, I can go ahead and put the sleeve over here, put the sleeve on, slide the sleeve on. Smooth it out a little bit here. Smooth out. Sleeve can go on. Okay, I got the sealer in here. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little more in here. Okay, now if this is in here, we'll go ahead and let this set up and dry overnight here. And hopefully tomorrow it'll be all set to go. Everybody see that? Go ahead and let it set and dry overnight. And I think we're all set to go for tonight.